Alright guys, today we're going to make a triangular catch-all. Now for this you're going to need some string, a hole punch, a ruler, scissors, and a pencil. I think that's it. So we're going to start with an 8 by 8 inch square. Now we're going to cut out this gigantic square. So here is 8 by 8 inches. Then we're going to place a dot on the top and bottom at 4 inches. I do not like that ruler. Okay. We're going to draw a line. All right, now so we're going to place the end of the ruler on the left lower corner and allow the 8-inch mark to hit top here. And we're going to place a dot at the 8-inch mark, and then we're going to draw a line. Now we're going to draw a line from the dot to the lower right corner. Now we're going to place dots on these lines at 4 inches. And then we're going to draw from the dots to the opposite corners. Like this. And then we're going to draw dotted lines, it looks like. Alright, so here we have our triangle, and now we are simply going to cut this out. Alright, so now we're going to fold each one of these down to this dotted line. See that? And then right on the inside, we're going to place 2 hole punches. And then we're going to fold this down. And then it looks like we're going to tie these together. Then it will be like this. So now we're going to tie ribbons in the holes here. And there we have the triangular catch-all. Maybe you could use it to hold the pencil. And put little erasers in it or something. That's pretty cool. There is the triangular catch-all by Ednah Ann Reich, or Ednah Ann Rich, of Paper Sloyd. On Paper Sloyd, it's on page 18. Link is in the description. That's the instructions of what we're going to make today.